This is room 2092 on the second deck of the ship. Come on in, let me show you around. And the princess is already here. Well, you need to get out. Where do you need to get out to? You need to get down the bed. All right, first thing you'll notice, really high bed because they make it high so you can put your luggage underneath. Really good for jumping, and it's got a lot of Mickeys on this right here. In the second part of the room, there's a big sofa right over here. This turns into a sofa bed, but it's also a great place to sit and enjoy the view. Nice, the porthole in here is quite big. It's like a really big window to look out. Now, if we come over this way, there's a desk with a mirror on top. There's a little chair right here on this little bonbon, so you can look at yourself right there. There's a few drawers available on either side that you can put your stuff in. There's a television right here. Underneath the television, there is a refrigerator that you can put your drinks or anything you want inside. Nothing in the minibar, just for you. Let's take a look at the power ports over here. 2 US ports, USB ports, another US plug, and a place you can put a hairdryer. 220 volts European plugs here too. All right, let's come over this way. And right here, there's another little cabinet that's just for you to put more things in. I should also point out that there's a curtain right here that you can pull closed if you want to like separate this part of the bedroom from this part of the bedroom when you have a bed. Coming over this way, another small mirror, and there's another cabinet right here, a few glasses on it with some nice Mickey Cruise Line Mickeys on there. The closet is right here. What's unique about this closet as a hotel room is it's got life jackets in here. It's got laundry bags in case you need your laundry to be done. There's also self-laundry. This side just has some, actually has a lot of hangers in there. There's probably maybe 15 hangers in here. All right, the bathroom is a split bathroom. So if we come in the first part of the bathroom, and I'm gonna go handheld for this because it's a really small bathroom. There's a really small sink right here, some body lotion up here, a place where you can plug in a shaver. There is a very small bathtub down here. The shower does have a handheld fixture up on here, and then it's got some kind of common refillable shampoo, body wash, and conditioner. And then over this way is a second bathroom. This one has another sink in it and the toilet. So split bathroom, one side for the toilet, one side for the shower. So that's pretty nice because one person can be doing their business while the other person showers in here. There is a hair dryer built in here, so you don't need to bring your own. You can use this one. While we were at dinner, we got turn down service. They came, put some chocolates here with a towel animal. And then over in the next room where we had the sofa, it's now a single sofa bed because we have 3 people in the room. So that's what we got. All right, now that we've seen everything around the room, let me give you my pros and cons of this room. So pros, even though it's an old ship, they've recently remodeled things, so things in the room are nice and fresh. Nothing seems tired. Everything seems fairly new. Everything was clean in this room. We slept fairly well. The main bed is fairly comfortable. The sheet's pretty good on that one. This little sofa bed, not so much. This little sofa bed, you don't get like a full comforter. You just kind of get like a sheet and then like a fleece or flannel thing. So I could see why when we were coming on board, we saw some other people that had blankets. I think it's for the people who were sleeping on the sofa bed. The bathrooms, they're small, but I like they're doing an exercise. Hold on.
For exercise only, staging area, deck 1, zone 2, aft landing area. I repeat, for exercise only, staging area, deck 1, zone 2, aft landing area.
All right, now the safety exercise is complete. I like the split bathrooms. They're small, but good water pressure in the shower, so that was nice. Also, plenty of hangers in the closet, lots of drawers in here. So it's a cruise ship, small room, but I think it was a pretty functional room. Same thing, I like that the bed was high up and you could put your luggage underneath. So that was a great way to just kind of stow luggage away. I also like the big window that I'm looking at right now. Gets lots of natural light in here for the review. What are the cons? What didn't I like about this room? Well, maybe it's our location on the second deck. We heard a lot of engine hum and hum and hum all the time. That could just be something about second deck, middle of the ship. I also wish the air was maybe a little bit fresher. I don't know. It felt a little bit stuffy in here. The air conditioning, you can't really set the exact temperature on it. It's just hot or cold. So I would have preferred that. Our daughter, she loved the room. She loved to play hide and seek in it. She loved to hide behind these curtains right here. Yeah, so there you go. That's your room tour. If you want to see more of our Disney cruise, you'll find more Disney cruise videos right here. Links also in the description below. As usual, I won't say goodbye because I'll see you in the next video.